What we're going to do now is prepare our pot for glazing. The thing that I like to do to make sure that the pot is going to receive the glaze is kind of dampen and moisten it all over. So I'm going to take a damp cloth and go on the inside of this pot and just kind of wipe it down. What happens is that there's two things that occur here. We're getting rid of any of the dust or dirt particles that could cause the glaze to separate from the pot itself. And the other thing it does is kind of give a damp surface for the glaze to attach itself to. All glazes are usually water-based, and so it kind of gives it a helping hand. After we've done the inside, we're going to go ahead and wipe down the outside. Now, because this pot has a rough finish, what I'm going to do is simply take a water bottle and squirt it along here so that you can see that we've pretty well dampened the outside of the pot. Okay, the first thing that I'm going to do is, relative to the designs here, is choose an underglaze. An underglaze is a type of glaze that goes underneath the outside surface of the glaze and should have a color or a sheen that will come through. Okay. Now we want to stir this up a little bit, and what I'll do is apply the glaze with the brush this time to the particular places on this pot that I want to have this particular color. And we're going to put this blue right in here. And it's a rugged looking pot, so we're going to not be too concerned with whether or not there are perfect lines on it. Okay.